Today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pro, and I'll show you how to hide developer options if they are activated on your device. So first you should go into the settings app and scroll all the way down to the to the system and update sections. And if you got enabled the developer options, here you'll see this developer options section. Just tap there, and to hide the developer options on your device, tap here once on the switcher. At the same moment will just go automatically back, and here, as can you see, our developer options section is gone. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.